I'll never forget my first cell phone. It had a sleek design that fit into my pocket like a brick, and a convenient telescoping antenna that never failed to pick up static. Nowadays, for miniaturization and effective filtering, I rely on the high packing density of spectrum-controlled discrete EMI filters. These EMI filters are available in several variants and filter up to 18 GHz in a variety of environments for telecommunication equipment, computers and peripherals, DC to DC converters, and medical equipment. The compact surface mount footprint offers optimum cost savings and replaces bulky through-hole filters in densely populated PCBs. Available in tape and reel or bulk packaging, these discrete EMI filters offer a wide range of body sizes, mounting options, and circuit configurations to maximize design flexibility in space, medical, and military applications.